Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm here in Susan's kitchen. And today in Susan's kitchen, we're going to show you how to put in an outside light. I'm putting in a light switch here in the wall. I'm going to put that at about 46 inches high, and then outside I'm going to put a light, and that light's going to be at 7 foot. Went down to my local hardware store, Lowe's, and I bought these remodel boxes. So the remodel boxes, what they allow you to do is they allow you to put these in, cut a hole in the sheetrock, and put it in, and tighten it in from the outside because you don't have access to the studs. Got the same thing for the outside. This is my light box. Got a couple of these, one for each side of the door. So I'm going to put in the light box. I'm going to show you how to wire it today. Got about 3 inches worth of trim. Leave a couple inches. I'm going to make it, now I'll make it 4 inches away from the door. So that's where my box is going to go. Put it right there on that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my light switch outlet, mark on the bottom, mark on the side, and there we have our spot. That's what we're going to cut out, right? We're going to do that right now. Nice, huh? Got it out. So then this will, just double check it. That's going to fit in there real nice. Look at that. Beautiful fit. So that's exactly what we want. So this right here is the wiring diagram that I'm following, and I should add a disclaimer. I'm not an electrician. This is the shack that Dennis built. Down here we got power. Over here we got our single pole switch, and up here we have light right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to run our neutral wire from our power down below. It's going to basically bypass, and it's going to go directly and hook up to the neutral on the light. Draw a nice circle around that. And the key is you can't cut that whole thing out because this lip has to be on the outside. You do have 1/8 of an inch to work with, so you've got to cut it 1/8 of an inch short all the way around so it'll fit in there. First thing you do, you drill a hole. Once you got your hole drilled, all right, so we're going to start from the top, and we're going to run our wire down to the switch. Remember, whenever you're working on electricity, you want to make sure you turn the breaker off. You don't want to endanger your life. So I've got that breaker off. I'm running the wire down. That's out. See there? I've got my wire run from the switch to the light. I've broken out my little wire there. Got 3 of these to connect. All right, wire's in. Now you got your wire up here, and you're ready to put a light up here. All right, so I'm ready to put the light on up here. Got a little gasket to put in there to make it fit tighter and to keep it watertight, and just fitting it in there. So I've got my wire from the light up top, and I've got my wire from the power down below. So now we're going to run those through our box and hook it up to the light switch. And we're ready to tighten that thing in place. Gonna be good. Fits really well, very well. Looks great. Now you take a nice sharp cutter, and what you want to do, you got to make sure you don't cut yourself. Come back And what you want to do is just put it back in there as far as you can go and cut, keeping it away from you. Cut all the way down the center. And you cut down the center because you've got the ground down there, which you're not going to cut into. So you cut down the center, pull your wires out. Now you're going to take and you're going to strip your wires, and it tells you right on here. And these things also come with a guide. If you look at that, you'll see the guide tells you how long to cut your wire. Here we go. Strip away. 14. 15. So we're putting the two neutrals together. Here we go. Two neutrals. In our case, we're going to use a wire nut. Screw them together. And then what I always do to make sure that the wire nut holds, I use a little electrical tape. You just kind of hold the wire nut on, and it's not going to go anywhere. We'll shove that back in there. Then this baby around. One side. And just kind of fold these things in there. Get them out of the way. All right, now we're going to put our cover on. Now that we know everything works, put the cover in place. Screw that baby on. What we have is we've got a screwless cover. No screws on this cover. So got a little tab up there to help you undo it. You're going to just snap it on, and there you go. Nice looking light switch. I'm going to check our light switch out. I'm going to go turn the power on, and we're going to go see whether or not this thing works. All right, so power on. Oh, look at that. On, off, on. It works great. All right, there we have it. Let there be light. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the light fixture that sits at the shack that Dennis built. Until next time, make sure you like and subscribe. See you then.